Welcome to our English listening practice. Today, we will use the shadowing technique for relaxation. Listen me. Evening time. It is evening. I slow down. I feel quiet. I am thankful. Say it with me. I feel thankful. What are you thankful for? Evening time. Evening time. Evening time. It is evening. It is evening. It is evening. I slow down. I slow down. I slow down. I feel quiet. I feel quiet. Write your answer in the comments to practice your English. Don't forget to subscribe for more slow English stories.